Hey y'all, this is Gypsy K and G, and we're still at Cedar Point, and this is their old school, public school, and it was built in 1918. Look at this. It's amazing how these old schools are still standing from that many years ago. Look at that. It's over 100 years old and it's still standing. Think of all the kids that's come through here. Think of all the kids that's played on this. Wow, that's one of those slides you burn your bottom or your knees. And they're still in, very good shape considering. What's that one on the end? What does it say? Auditorium. So this is the auditorium right here to the left. 1937. That was built in 1937, he said.